What do you say?
Say smile.
You say, hi, Uncle Eric.
Hi, Uncle Eric.
Do you want this present?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, stay there, stay there. Okay, sit down. Okay. Be gentle, be gentle. Is it Beatles?
Yeah.
What else?
Bugs too. Open these ones. Start opening it.
Okay, let's have a look.
What's the other presents? Wow. That one's a cool present.
Let's see what we got here. Wow, what's that?
Cool. What's that called, Dad?
That's a grasshopper.
A grasshopper. And what's that called, Dad?
That's a big fly.
That's the beetle, Dad. It's dead.
It is a beetle. It's not dead. It's a toy.
Oh, what's that called, Dad?
That one's called a scarab beetle.
It bites.
Maybe.
And what's that called, Dad?
It's a stink bug.
What's that called, Dad? He stinks,
I don't know what that one's called.
What's that bug called, Dad?
I don't know. You can give it a name. What do you want to call it?
A blue bug.
Blue bug it is.
What's that called, Dad?
And what do you think that's called?
A butterfly.
It is. Yeah.
What's it is a spider, Dad. It's a spider, Dad.
Is there a real spider on you? There. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's on Daddy.
Oh.
It's a teeny one.
Dad, I'm holding it in my finger, Dad.
No, it's not a good idea to hold spiders. They're either too delicate or dangerous.
What's this called, Dad?
I don't know, but I'll put them outside. Okay, can you guys say, bye, Uncle Eric. Thank you for the presents.
Thank you, Uncle Eric.
Say thank you for the presents.
Thank you for the presents.